Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can turn off Gmail's two-step verification super easily with this easy and quick method. First of all, but for this, we have to make sure that our Gmail is updated. To make sure our Gmail is updated, we will first go to the Google Play Store and search Gmail from here to actually see our Gmail. And yes, it's here. It doesn't need any updates. So that's why I know it's fully updated, so I can do everything super easily and super safely. After opening our Gmail, we will see a lot of stuff, of course. We will see our inbox, we will see our promotions, socials, labels, and of course settings and everything. But to turn off two-step notification, when I open my Gmail, of course, I will see a lot of stuff, which is comprised of inboxes, labels, promotions, social stuff, general inbox settings, and of course, normal settings, calendars, and contacts. Everything we can use. But to do the two-step verification thing, I have to go here, click my icon over here, go into Google Accounts, and when it's in the Google Accounts page, I can see a lot of stuff. My home page, my personal info, my data and privacy, security, and everything. First of all, of course, since we are turning off two-step verification, for this, we would have to go to security. From security, you can right now see you have security tips. Of course, Gmail says that you have security tips when you don't open every setting. Right now, as you can see, my two-step verification is off. But if you would love to turn it on, or if it's on and if you want to turn it off, like this video would suggest, all you would have to do is come to this security page, then use this place to actually go into your web browser and use your Google account to turn it off. As you can see, I will just click it and it will run on Chrome and send me to my Google account. It says right now, of course, you can protect your account with two-step verification, but if your two-step verification was on, unlike mine, you would able to see that your two-step verification was on, and it would say, do you want to turn it off? So basically the opposite of what's happening here right now. So guys, basically that's how you easily just turn off the two-step verification using your Google account information. And after entering your Google account settings, just going over to security and using your two-step verification setting, then using your account to turn it off. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any other question, you can always tell us down in the comment section. And in any other case, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.